Hi all, I hope you're all doing well. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And for those who are regulars, welcome back. Now today I'm going to be showing you how I make and carve a small candle holder. Now this is an idea that I had for more than a year ago. Now I had bought the clay. This is porcelain, a translucent porcelain clay, so it is awesome for candles, I think. So I tried making a piece and I loved it, and then I got distracted with other things in life. So I finally got my act together today and thought, let's sit down and try this again. Now this is the first time that I'm throwing with porcelain clay, and I must say I don't know why I've waited for so long. The clay is just amazing. It is so soft and creamy. I don't even need to use as much water as I normally do with other clay bodies, and the texture and the thickness, you can get it so thin. It's unbelievable. So the beauty of translucent porcelain clay is once you hold the piece to the light, you're able to see the light shine through that piece. So depending on the thickness of a piece, you will get more or less light shines through. So this is why for me, I was very interested in using this clay to make little tea light candles or tea light holders. This piece is very small. It's the size of a shot glass, pretty much. Once I was done with trimming the piece, it was time to carve a design on the outside. Now this piece is really thin. It measured about 2 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters in thickness, and then having to carve through this was quite scary. As you can see in the background, there are two pieces there that I had done prior to this, and I actually ruined them because as I was carving, I actually went through the wall of a piece because it was so thin. So as you can see, this is a very easy, simple, and yet elegant design. It doesn't take long at all to do. I'm hoping that once it's finished, that the light would shine beautifully through the carved areas. Once this piece is dried, I will post some pictures of a finished product on my Instagram and Facebook pages. So if you would like to see the end result, please head to my social media pages and follow them so that you are notified once I post the pictures. If you have liked this video, please consider to subscribe so you get to see more of this. Also give a like and a comment so more people get to see this content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.